Special greetings, my dear students. Actually, in previous class, we seen fifth chapter. Okay, so in this class also just once we will revise. Okay, and the next class onwards we will go for a sixth and seventh. And be clear in this, students. 6, 7, 8. It is full and full basic things. Okay, actually your syllabus is framed only this type. First semester we will cover full theoretical part. Almost theoretical part is over. Okay, but after theoretical part you will learn full and full only practical oriented classes, especially MS Word. Okay, you will learn only so you will learn Word. Okay, after Excel, PowerPoint. Okay, these are the things you will learn. Okay, only these are the things you will learn in a ninth class. And in a primary classes, when you study 8th, 6th, 5th, that time you learn only a little bit on the each application. But here in ninth class you will learn each and every options are available in this particular application. Okay, you just learn the application, what are the basic things. But in ninth class you will learn full of all the options. Okay, so your class is going to be fully practical oriented. Due to that reason only you are getting 60 mark in practical. If you do the practical, if you perform well, and with the assignment project, if everything is perfect, you may get 60 out of 60. Else it is very difficult. Okay, so when school is opening, that time try to complete and submit your fair copy. Now working with operating system, already you know operating system is a used to control entire operations of a computer. It will control the hardware also, and it will control the software also. So Microsoft Windows already mentioned there are so many operating systems are there. If I want to show, I will show you. Best operating system. Okay, so best operating system. When I just clicked, it is browsing. You can able to see Linux, Microsoft Windows, Mac, Ubuntu, Windows 10, Android. Android is for what? Mobile. Unix, Windows 7 means this all are the operating systems. Okay, in each operating system there are so many versions are there. Okay, so many versions are there. Example, if you're taking Windows operating system, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows Profession, Windows Home. Okay, after Windows 10, means so many Windows Vista, so many versions are there. So if I click this Fedora, Fedora is the best operating system for the programming. Okay, but you will not get that much fast. What to say means you cannot able to work user friendly. Okay, and the thing is what, in this Fedora, Unix, okay, this whole operating system virus problem we will not get, but in Windows we will get a virus problem. And the Chrome OS, this is paid version. If you pay, you can use. Okay, Chrome OS. So there are so many operating systems are there. In each operating system we have to pay what is it, so many versions are there. And few operating system we have to pay money, few operating system they are providing freely. See, this all are the operating system. This all operating system first time you are seeing in your life, I think so. Maximum you seen this time only. So after this, okay, after this, in Windows 7, easy to use multitasking. Multitasking means see, kindly see here, Power presentation opened, Excel opened, Paint opened, and this is a folder open. Now see MS PowerPoint. So MS PowerPoint I kept this side. Now just you imagine here one video is playing. Okay, here one video is playing. It is possible. Uh, okay, here we can play some video. Okay, so we can play any video. Example, types of voice. Okay, types of voice. Now I clicked this video. So just I am making side by side. Okay. Now see, basic understanding operating system. When I click, okay, when I click, now I can play the video also. I am not clicking now. Okay. If I click, video will play at the same time. I can able to type also, multitasking at the same time. Else, I can play background some audio files, or I can open picture. I can edit a Photoshop and I can type. Means at the same time we can able to do multi work, multitasking. Okay. After this, okay, search made easier. So search made easier means if I want to open a MS Word, no need to go to MS Office or MS, means no need to search, just type Word over. So if I want to take any file, see here is a folder, ninth computer. So I want to open that folder. I don't know where is the location. Just type ninth and you type computer. See, now came. So this is a search made easier. Pinning to the taskbar. Just click and drag to the taskbar. Now I want to pin this recycle bin to taskbar. Just click, drag. Now it is showing pin to file explorer. I am not clicking. If I see here, I am not leaving my right click on the mouse. If I leave my right click on the mouse, so left click on the mouse, what will happen? It will pin to a taskbar. So I don't want. If you want, you can do. This is your practical. Arrow pick. So just to click on in a right side bottom, you can able to see. This is the arrow pick. Okay. If you want to see more clearly, I am bringing now. See here. So this is the arrow pick. Okay. When we will click, everything will be minimized. Just one click. See. Now again, just one click. Again minimized. Again came. So after live bar preview, okay, live bar preview means what? When I am moving my mouse cursor to the bottom, you can able to see live preview. Lively we can able to see what things are going in a backside. Jump list, Alt tab, okay, or just right click. Right click, okay. How many folders you opened earlier? It is coming. Or right click on paint. How many files I opened before? I can able to see. So this is a jump list, or you can able to use Alt plus tab also. So now snap, shake, this all things you are practical. Now this is the components, okay, icons, start button, taskbar, desktop. Okay, so if you see the desktop, what are the uses of desktop? Word desktop is derived from real. Students, story no need to learn anything. The concept only you have to learn and you have to write. Okay, only the concept. So here you are going to learn only Windows 7. So what options they given? Windows 7. Okay, but Microsoft company stopped Windows 7 operating system. Okay, they stopped totally Windows 7 releases. They won't update any version of Windows 7. Means they will not update, or if any problem occur, they will not fix anything in a Windows 7. Okay. So you can able to see what are things they given here: picture, music, games, computer, control panel. You can able to see everything here. Just to start, when you're clicking start, here right side you can able to see. Shutdown computer. Here is a shutdown option. When you click the drop down arrow, there will be a so many options will be there. And yesterday I given on homework, why in a computer we are installing C. Means students, there is no any condition or restriction you should install operating system only in C drive. There is no any restriction like that. If you want to install in a D drive, you can install. If you want to install in a C drive, you can install. But mostly we are using C because it is a first drive and we are installing there. And yesterday I asked you one homework, why A drive, B drive is not there. Students, nowadays we are having storage in a computer, but when you are going to the earlier, okay, when we are going to the earlier versions in computer there is no any storage device, there is no any storage place. Okay, there is no any storage place, and there is only a one drive, only one place we can able to store, that is a. Okay, we can able to store only one place, that is a and B. So what is A and B? Floppy disk. In floppy disk only we can able to store. There is no any external device, only floppy disk, and that floppy disk also little bit storage. Okay, so that time to this time we are using same computer, only we are updating, we are not modifying, we are not changing any things, we are just updating. Example, keyboard, we are using QWERTY key, that's why key QWT, I will show you. Mm. The keyboard types. So QWERTY key we are using that time to this time. So when you see the QWERTY key image, okay, you can able to see here. Okay, image is not clear. We are using QWERTY key. See key QWERTY. Actually, that time to this time, we are using QWERTY key only. And students, there before this, have you noticed why keyboard keys are there? Q, W, E, or T, Y. Do you know why? What is the reason? Just you think why we are using keyboard like that. This is a QWERTY key you are getting, and there are few keyboards are there. A, E, O, like this also. Sorry. A, E, O, A, B, C, D means A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This type of keyboards also there. But why? What is the reason we are using this keyboard? Do you know why? Students, this is a real fact you should understand, and simple thing you want to know about this. In keyboard, when they introduced, they used A, B, C, D, E in order only, A to Z in order. But before keyboard, they used printers. Okay, before keyboard, what they used? Typewriters. Okay, before keyboard, they used what? Typewriters. In typewriters, so this is a simple typewriter image. Okay, this is a simple typewriter image. If you see this also follows QWERTY key. QWERTY key. Okay. Now see here, open image. So students, here we can able to see the image Q W E R T Y. Okay. The main reason is what, when, just you imagine, if you imagine only will get, okay, and this is not imaginary, it is a real fact also. Q W E or T Y. Okay. When they introduced, there was the letters A B C D E F up to Z, but that time when they introduced like that, people, those who don't know the typing also, they were typing very fastly. When they're typing fastly, this particular typewriter company, okay, so many companies were there, but that particular typewriter company machines are getting some problems, stacking the this needles and problems. Means when you're typing 1 2 3 4 fastly, so what will happen? 4 5 letter when you're typing fastly, so within a fractions of second, 4 5 keys are touching together. Actually, when you're typing this here in this place, it should move a little bit, correct? After typing each key, it should move, correct? But when you're typing very high speed, before moving, another needle will press there, correct? Means when you're pressing, if I'm pressing E will punch, it will move little bit. In this place, what the paper says, it will move little bit, correct? But when you're pressing high speed, 4 5 6, just imagine. So before moving another key, before that key is moving another key, fractions of second when we are typing. So such type of typing speed humans we are typing, those who don't know the typing. So keyboard companies are getting, means that this typewriter, so many companies are getting problem. So to avoid this problem, they made this QWERTY key. So in this QWERTY key, what is happening? People cannot able to type fast. The person who is knowing type also, they cannot able to type that much fast. Correct? So due to this reason only, that time to till now, in updated version, nowadays also we are using QWERTY key. If you are using A to Z that time, that case, we can able to type fast, but we will feel difficult because that time to this time all the keyboard companies, all the hardware companies, they used what, QWERTY key. So it is difficult to replace the QWERTY key. Okay, so that is the thing. So same way in A drive and B drive, flop disk is inbuilt, we cannot able to remove that. Okay, so taskbar, this all are the few things you have to just, basic things you have to go through. And when school will reopen, you are having seminars, okay, project viva, it is a busy schedule, okay, very busy schedule. You will get at the same time practical also, you will get you will not sit in a classroom at all. 4 period we are having in a week, 4 period you will be in a lab only. In a lab only I will explain, in lab only practical will be there, in lab only viva. So it is continuous, there is no any replacement. Okay. Thanks for watching my students. Thank you.